Welcome to the project Automatic Sky Parking System. In this project, here we are going to demonstrate like this is the entire car parking system. So we assume these are the cars with particular tag numbers. So this is car 1, 2, 3. So here this is the entire control unit. So from which the controlling part is going on. There is a RFID reader which takes the input from every car unit and then sends the information to the controller. Controller gives the feedback information to whichever slot is under empty mode. This is the entire parking unit. Here there are 3 slots, slot 1, slot 2 and slot 3. According to the preference, high preference to the empty slot, this is your this is the cabin going to lift and make the particular stop filled with the particular related car. So just see the output. So initially place the car into the entrance, and as you show the particular car, the system gets started. So here every movement of the slot and the cabin is moved using the DC motors, which are being controlled by the microcontroller. So from the entrance, it shifts the particular vehicle to the cabin mode. The cabin is the main unit which lifts the car and puts in the empty slot according to its particular preference. First, it gives the preference to the first slot. So you can see here, the cabin shifting the vehicle to the slot 1. Slot 1 entered successfully. Coming to the second vehicle. So when you show the tag, from the entrance, it shifts to the cabin. In the cabin, there is a vital rule to select which cabin is under empty mode. As the slot 1 is under fill, it lifts the cabin to the slot 2 and 3. You can see here the lifting of cabin with the vehicle. It shifts the vehicle to the slot 2. Car has successfully entered into the slot 2. Again the cabin comes to its original position for the third vehicle. This is for every entrance of every vehicle. When you show the tag for one, it's for the entrance. So enter. Car unit to the slot 3. The car has been shifted successfully to the slot 3. to their particular slots for parking. In order to exit for any particular car, show the same tag related to that particular car. So this is the third car from the third slot. Automatically the cabin checks related slot for the related car. And again the slot from the third unit shifts the vehicle to the cabin. Successfully displays the vehicle to the cabin unit. And the cabin again drags the car to the door section. Shifts to the again exit path. This way. Every particular vehicle for different. Exit of vehicle from the related slot. Again the second vehicle. The cabin lifts. Second slot lifts the vehicle. Successfully it entered to the cabin unit, the second vehicle. The cabin is putting the vehicle to the ground floor. And again it shifts from the cabin to the exit path. As the vehicle came to the exit path, you can get a buzzer alert indicating as the vehicle has approached to it. Suppose if I select the third car, you can see here the cabin selects itself the preferred slot initially. So whichever vehicle it may be, it shifts according to the preference to the slot. The first slot initially, next the second, next the third. So you can see the second and third both are empty. The cabin decides to go for the second as the preference first. Irrespective of the vehicle, the slots are giving the preference to the unit. Successfully entered. Dispatching the first vehicle to the exit slot from the cabin. So as it reaches to the exit, you can get a buzzer alert indicating that vehicle has been successfully reached. So this is the second vehicle. Even then it gives the preference according to the slots. So here the first slot is under empty, so the cabin automatically shifts the vehicle to the first slot. So here, irrespective of the vehicle, the preference is first given to the according to the slot. The first slot, second slot, and then the third. Whichever is an empty mode selects to the slot. In this way, we can design an automatic sky parking system by making the vehicle lift according to the cabin. This kind of designing a parking system saves the space for the vehicle and also the efficiency of designing the parking section. Also saves the time. Every slot we are using IR obstacle sensor to detect the presence of the vehicle and the fulfillment of the slot. You can see on the LCD also the car 2 under exit mode. Successfully, all the vehicles have been dispatched from the car parking unit. Thank you.